Hi, hello again. Just let me introduce myself, unless you don't know me. My name is Yuri, and I was born in Ukraine. And so now the Ukrainian war, it's very devastating and it's very sad. And here I'm continuing with the songbook Caravan collection that I collected over years, traveling the world with the Rainbow family and doing different songs. I collected the songs together. I didn't wrote all of them, maybe some, but of course the majority of the songs that are here, um, there is 325 songs, and we are now at the song only number 20, which is like a very popular song that maybe many of you already know. It's called Let the Way of the Heart. And yeah, of course, first I heard this song in Rainbow Gathering in Israel back in 1994, I think. And of course, I don't know who wrote the song. I know that the song came from somewhere in India, Pune, from the temple of Bhagavan Sri Rajanesh, and that's the song they were playing, "Let the Way of the Heart." And you can play it on a flute, or you can play it on guitar or ukulele. I'm gonna play it on ukulele and a little bit of the flute, just for um, the difference for variety. Okay, sorry for my English a little bit. Here we go. So the song is pretty easy. It's of course like all the Rainbow songs, most of them, A minor, G, C. That's all. And that's how it goes. Let the way of the heart, let the way of the heart, let the way of the heart shine through. Let the way of the heart, let the way of the heart, let the way of the heart shine through. Love upon love upon love. Yeah, 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 yeah. All hearts are beating as one. Light upon light upon light. All disappears into one. And just before we continue, please put the like button, press the like button, subscribe to my channel, and share this video with everybody you can, or just play this song to everybody you can. I'm gonna put the lyrics right there in the comments. You can obviously come to see the book. There is going to be also a link down there. You can get the book if you want. And or if you don't want to get the book, you will just have the lyrics down there, down here in the comment section, okay? And here the flute part. Okay, you can play it with two different flutes, D and C. I'm gonna play it on C. Let the way of the heart, let the way of the heart, let the way of the heart shine through. Let the way of the heart, let the way of the heart, let the way of the heart shine through. Love upon love upon love. Oh, yo, yo, yo. All hearts are beating as one. Light upon light upon light. Oh, yo, yo, yo. All disappears into one. Let the way of the heart, let the way of the heart, let the way of the heart shine through. Let the way of the heart, let the way of the heart, let the way of the heart shine through. Love upon love upon love. Oh, yo, yo, yo. All hearts are beating as one. Light upon light upon light. All disappears into one. Let the way of the heart, let the way of the heart, let the way of the heart shine through. Let the way of the heart, let the way of the heart, let the way of the heart shine through. Love upon love upon love. All hearts are beating as one. Light upon light upon light. Thank you very much. And again, please press the like button, subscribe to my channel, play this song. May the peace be on earth, may the peace be in Ukraine, and peace be in Middle East, in Africa, in South America, everywhere in the world. Thank you.